Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make a USB drive bootable for multiple operating systems. Firstly, go to this website and download the latest version of Ventoy. It's available for Windows and Linux, so choose the one that suits your system. Once downloaded, extract zip file. Now plug in your USB drive and run the Ventoy installer. After that, click on Install button. Before continue, make sure one thing: all of your data in Pendrive will be deleted. Now simply copy and paste your desired operating system ISO image files into the Pendrive. Now plug in your bootable pen drive to your PC and choose your USB from the boot menu. Let's start by choosing Windows 10 operating system. As you can see, it works fine without any issue. Now let's try Ubuntu OS. Now try another operating system. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.